Welcome to the Nature on the Road. Wildlife refer to animals that live and thrive in their natural habitats, often without direct human intervention. They can be found in various ecosystems around the world, from forests and grassland to desert and ocean. Here are a few examples of well-known wildlife animals. Lions. Lions are large carnivorous mammals known for their social behavior and iconic mane in males. They are often referred to as the king of the jungle and are found in parts of Africa. Elephants. Elephants are the largest land animal known for their intelligence and strong social bonds. There are two main species, the African elephant and the Asian elephants. Giraffes. Giraffes are recognizable by their long necks and distinctive spotted coats. They are native to Africa and primarily inhabit savanna and woodlands. Tigers. Tigers are the largest of the big cats and known for their distinctive orange coats with black stripes. They inhabit various habitats across Asia. Cheetah. Cheetah are known for their incredible speed, making them the fastest land animal. They are found primarily in part of Africa and Iran. Thank you for watching. Kangaroos. Kangaroos are marsupial native to Australia. They are known for their powerful hind legs and hopping locomotion. Gorilla. Gorilla are large primitive native to Africa. They are known for their strength and complex social structure, living in groups led by a dominant male. Whales are carnivorous mammals that are highly social and often work together in packs to hunt prey. They are found in various habitats around the world. Polar bear. Polar bears are well adapted to cool Arctic environments. They are excellent swimmers and primarily hunt seal on sea ice.